but fire in the wind, it purifies the whole. The higher we climb, the more they lose their hold. Babylon system, breaking it down. Babylon system can't hold the crown. Babylon system, walls fall to the ground. Babylon system.
Cammino scalzo tra le pietre, il vento parla, ma non si vede. Luce dorata sfiora il cielo, un sogno antico che si fa vero. Dove il tempo si ferma, resta solo il cuore. Dove il silenzio canta, trovo il tuo nome. Zion, Zion, il mondo si inchina. Zion, Zion, la terra divina, dove il cielo tocca il suolo, dove l'eterno trova il suo volo.
Fiumi d'argento scorrono lenti tra le colline, segreti spenti. Ogni respiro porta un ricordo di un luogo sacro, puro, profondo.
Dove il tempo si ferma, resta solo il cuore. chains still rattle in the back of my mind. Shadows of history, no clock can rewind. The soil remembers, red with pain, a story written in blood and rain. Slavery days, they haunt the ground. Echoes of cries that still rebound. Slavery days, the scars remain. The past is a ghost that whispers pain. Cotton fields stretched like endless seas, a hymn of sorrow carried on the breeze. Feet were bare, but hearts were strong. Through the darkness, they sang their song. Do you hear it? The heavy sigh. Do you see it? The tearless cry. Slavery days, they haunt the ground. Echoes of cries that still rebound. Slavery days, the scars remain. The past is a ghost that whispers pain. Chains were broken, but chains still grow in different forms. The world must know the roots are deep, the fight ain't done. We chase the light, but hide the sun. Slavery days, they haunt the ground. Echoes of cries that still rebound. Slavery days, the scars remain. The past is a ghost that whispers pain. Les ombres dansent sous la lune, un feu qui brûle une étrange fortune. Les étoiles chuchotent, mais personne n'écoute. Chantez, chantez, laissez vibrer. Chantez, chantez, ne pas arrêter. Chantez.
tire, pause like thunder, hit the ground, the jungle roars, a mighty song. Lion, lion, you rule the night. Lion, 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 burning bright in your kingdom. Stars take flight. Lion, lion, has might. You strike the plains, the world's your throne. A hunter's art, carved from stone. The wind it whispers your ancient name. In your shadow, nothing's the same. Every step the earth it shakes, every breath the wild awakes. Lion, lion, you rule the night. Lion, 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 burning bright in your kingdom. Stars take flight. Lion, lion, endless might. The moon bows down, the trees all sway. The stars salute, then fade away. You are the roar, the untamed cry. Lion, lion, ruler of the sky. Lion, ruler of the sky. Yeah. Dust in my lungs, the air feels thin. 1,000 miles from where I've been. The road is cracked, it swallows light. Shadows whisper in the night. I hear the call, I feel the weight. This burning heart won't hesitate. We rise, we run, we leave it behind. The chains, the walls, the ties that bind. Exodus, we're breaking free. Exodus, this is destiny. Steps like thunder across the plain. Dreams are seeds in the falling rain. The sky is red, but my soul won't break it. Every step of vow I'll take. The horizon pulls like a distant flame. Through every fear, through every shame, we
sun dips low, it kisses the waves. Palm trees whisper ancient names. The beat of the earth, it's calling me home, me home. Roots run deep like rivers flow in the
is heavy, thick as tar. Every step feels twice as far. A whispered dream, it fades away, caught in the grind of another great day. Strong and peace, they dance, they fight. One pulls the dark, one pulls the light. Through the storm, I find relief in the clash of struggle and peace. A broken clock still marks the time. A jagged climb, the hill I climb, but the sun it peeks through cracks of stone. A quiet hum that feels like home. One breath in, the world alive. One breath out, the weight unwind. Struggle and peace, they dance, they fight.
The ocean hums, the trees conspire. Lions roar in the morning breeze. Roots grow deep, no time to freeze. Feel the Rasta vibration. One love, one creation. Hearts beating like the
son gré. On frappe, on crie, le chant s'élance. La rage, la force, la dernière chance. Unissons nos voix, brûlons l'air. C'est notre heure, c'est notre guerre. Le ciel rouge saigne au matin. Chaque pas marque le destin. La poussière monte, cacher les pleurs. Dans nos cœurs, une seule lueur. Aux échos du passé, on répond. Chaque coup résonne, chaque nom. Le sol tremble, la peur s'efface. C'est l'épreuve, c'est notre maîtresse. On frappe, on crie, le chant s'élance. La rage, la force, la dernière chance. Unissons nos voix, brûlons l'air. C'est notre heure, c'est notre guerre. On frappe, on crie, le chant s'élance. La rage, la force, la dernière chance. Unissons nos voix, brûlons l'air. C'est notre heure, c'est notre guerre. 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 C'est notre guerre.
Shadows crawl like snakes through my head. Every word you said still unfair. I'm a book with pages torn and bled. Nothing written, nothing read. I'm the sufferer, the one who stays in the ash of your fiery blaze. Burn my wings, can't leave this maze. I'm the sufferer, the one who pays. Your laughter lingers like shattered glass. Every step I take cuts my past. Time won't heal, it's moving too fast. But every scar's a spell I cast. I whispered no, you screamed yes. A battle of silence, a war of stress.
echo